how to remove this AOD wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or any other phone. For that you need to go your setting, and from here you need to go the theme option, then just press on AOD, press on menu, then press on my stuff. Then here you can see the AOD option. Now you can see this is set for my current as a current AOD. Just select default one and press on OK. Now go back, and if I try to unlock my phone, you can see my AOD wallpaper is gone. And if you want to disable your AOD, then simply go to your lock screen and AOD again. Then here you can see the AOD option. Now disable this option. Now your AOD is permanently gone. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe and hit like button. Have a good day.